This video, which is part of the Pure Maths 1 course, introduces and explains the remainder theorem. In the previous video, you were shown how to divide a polynomial, such as this cubic here, by a linear expression like this binomial x minus 3. To remind you, we do some long division like this. X divided into 2x cubed is 2x squared, and then we multiply down. 2x cubed times 2x cubed times minus 3 is minus 6x squared, and then subtract 0, minus 4x squared minus minus, so that's 6x squared, so that is 2x squared, and then subtract 3x minus 1, and then we say x goes into 2x squared 2x, so we'd have plus 2x here, and then multiply the 2x squared, 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x, subtract again, 3x 0 here, and 3x minus 6x is 9x, minus 1 minus 0, nothing, minus 1, and then x is into 9x is plus 9, 9 times x is 9x, 9 times minus 3 is minus 27, subtracting again, 9x cancels, minus 1 minus 27 is 26. So dividing 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 by x minus 3 gives us 2x squared plus 2x plus 9, remainder 26. Now what we have here, we have the three things here, the 2x squared plus 2x plus 9, this bit here is known as the quotient, the x minus 3, that's known as the divisor, and then the 26 is the remainder. So 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus is the the quotient, the quotient 2x squared plus 2x plus 9 plus the remainder 26 over the divisor x minus 3. And this is on the right hand side here, this is identical to the left hand side. That's another way of writing the left hand side. So we have the identity symbol, 3 lines here instead of equals. Now if we take this, we could multiply both sides of this identity by x minus 3, in which case we'll get 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 is the same as 2x squared plus 2x plus 9 times x minus 3, and then multiplying by x minus 26 over x minus 3 by x minus 3 just leaves us 26. Now let's call this polynomial f of x, given a name, as a function of x, f of x. Well, on the right hand side we can see that if the x is 3, the first term here with x equals 3 becomes 0, because 3 minus 3 is 0 in this factor here. So the whole of the right hand side will be 26, and that is the remainder when the function, the left hand side, is divided by x minus 3. So in order to find the remainder, we don't have to do the long division. All we have to do is substitute 3 into the function, and that would be equal to the remainder. So we would find f of 3 because on the left hand side we can see that that would equal 2 times x cubed, 2 times 3 cubed, 2 times 27, minus 4 times 3 squared, 4 times 9, plus 3 times 3 minus 1, 54, minus 36, plus 9 minus 1, 54 minus 36 is 18, plus 9 is 27, minus 1 equals 26, which is the remainder, and of course equals to the right hand side when x is 3, which is 26, because the first term is 0. Now we can generalize this process by saying this. In general, if a polynomial f of x is divided by ax plus b, so a general linear function, then f of x divided by ax plus b is the same as some quotient plus the remainder divided by the divisor ax plus b, just as we had up here in the example here. Just as before, multiplying by ax plus b, f of x is the same as the quotient, whatever that function is, q of x we'll call it, times ax plus b plus r, because the ax plus b will cancel. So if we make this first term here 0, and we can do that by making x equal to minus b over a, and that factor will be 0, so the whole term is 0, then the right hand side is just r. And so making the x minus b over a will give you r, and so we have f of minus b over a equals r. And that is the remainder theorem. So stating that, if a polynomial function f of x is divided by ax plus b, then the remainder is f of minus b over a. You just substitute it's the value of x that makes the divisor ax plus b 0. So in general, minus b over a, and the remainder is f of minus b over a. Here's an example. Find the remainder when 3x cubed minus x squared minus 8x minus 3 is divided by first x minus 1 and second 3x plus 2. So our function f of x, our polynomial, is 3x cubed minus x squared minus 8x minus 3. So for part A, we want to know the remainder when divided by x minus 1. The value that makes x minus 1 0 is, the value of x is 1. So we want to find f of 1, and that would be 3 times 1 cubed, which is 1, minus 1 squared, minus 8 times 1 minus 3, which is minus 9. Part B, 3x plus 2, we need to find f of minus 2/3, because if x is minus 2/3, 3x plus 2 is 0, so that equals 3 times minus 2/3 cubed, which is minus 8 over 27, minus 2/3 squared would be plus 4/9, so it would be minus 4/9, minus 8 times minus 2/3, minus 8 times minus 2/3 plus 16 over 3, minus 3, and that equals 1. So the remainder when divided by 3x plus 2